Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so it has been a long hiatus, like months. And it's sad because I have a bunch of pre-recorded videos that y'all are gonna eventually get of patterns from like Halloween. So that'll be coming soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But yes, I'm so happy to be back with just a simple little video. So a while ago, I had gone to a Crayola Creativity Week little like info session, and they were giving away these really cool $100 Crayola swag boxes, and I happened to win one of these boxes. This was last year. I completely forgot about it, and it came today, so I am definitely being surprised by all of this stuff. But I am really happy to unbox this and show you guys everything, and maybe even test some stuff out, because some of these Crayola products I've like never seen before in my life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I got some paper for testing. And again, huge thank you to Crayola, because I am genuinely so excited. It's been so long since I've been able to just use normal, nostalgic Crayola products. So let's see what we got. This is already looking awesome. Color change doodle markers. Okay, wait, this is so cool. So like, they overlap and they make new colors. That is so trippy. Okay, so I'm looking at them. It looks like the color that it turns into when you overlap them is in the middle. It looks like most of them do turn green, which makes sense because color theory, but this is interesting. Okay, so they're like a flat tip. And I'll just, ooh, she's pigmented. Okay, wait. Yeah, it's just color theory. Okay, wait, that's cute. I thought it was gonna be like some cool like magic thing. It's just color theory. Let's look at one of the funkier ones. Okay, this one's green and yellow, and it says it makes orange. So let's see that happen. Yeah, interesting. I mean, it's definitely not orange, but that's still cool. Like, how it's kind of encouraging, or like, for the ones that do work, or like things like that, it's kind of encouraging students to learn color theory, which I think is really cool for markers to do, you know? This is a cool start though, like, I put the packaging in wrong. But yeah, these are honestly, in general, these are really cute colors. So like how you have like vibrance and then like more like pastel-y sort of colors. Okay, what's next? Oh! Acrylic paint sticks. My friends know I love acrylic paint sticks. I didn't know Crayola made these. They're quick dry, so it also says you can draw on light and dark paper, and then it works on multiple surfaces. And they have like pictures of like rocks and stuff. So that's really cool if that's the case. Ooh, these are definitely stiffer than other ones I've used, but they are very cute. Let's see. Oh! They don't smudge though. Oh, well, a little bit. Give them a second, but that's the only part that smudge. That is really nice, actually. I do enjoy that they don't smudge. So I'm excited to test this out on like a rock or something. I want to see if that works. Oh, it also says on dark paper. So that's why I have a dark paper here. And let's try this blue. Oh, the pigmentation. Y'all, that's so bright. I love that. I still like them. That's so cool. We're already off to such an amazing start. Okay. Fine doodle point markers. So many markers. I didn't even know Crayola, like, I grew up with the generic Crayola markers, so I didn't even know they made all these. Like, that's so fancy. They almost look like Sharpies. I do love the patterns on them. Like that's so pretty. Okay, I should read the back too. No bleed through, and it's fine tip, so it really is like a Sharpie. Ooh, oh, she is fine tipped. I'm just doing random doodles. Wow. Okay, this is Crayola Sharpie. Okay. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. So a 24 palette washable watercolor. Whoa. I didn't even know Crayola had watercolors. This is really cool. I can't wait to test these out later. Alright. And then there's washable glue. Let's do something like that. I've never really seen these tops, but they have like little hooks. I wonder what that's for. But yeah. Oh, what are these? Washable glue sticks. I've never really seen a glue. Oh, maybe it's so they're like easier to grip. I don't know. There's these. So I wonder if it's like easier to grip these glue sticks and stuff like that. I also think they'd be easier to like not, or it'd be more difficult to knock them over so they're not rolling everywhere. So that's cool. I'll definitely save that if I have any students who like have trouble with like grabbing smaller things. Like this would probably help. I assume. I don't know. I've never used these. If you have, please let me know down in the comments. Okay, what else? Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. There's metallic crayons, swirl crayons, and neon crayons. Some glow in black light. Oh my gosh, wait, that's insane. These are cool. The metallic ones say they work on like black paper and stuff. That's exciting. I don't know if they necessarily work well on dark paper. That's a little unfortunate. The green is pretty decent. But again, they're crayons. So I'm like, what do you expect? I just wish it said it works on light and dark paper, but obviously, I mean, it does work. Oh wait. I think it depends on the color, because this one worked pretty well. So it might just vary on which one you use. So it does work. That's cool. All right. And then these neon crayons. I'm interested in these. Okay, it says some of them glow in black light, which is crazy. I just want to test one, just to see what it looks like. These are bright. The metallic ones are kind of just like, they got a little glitter. These neon ones, I'm hoping they're pigmented. Ooh. I love doing all these little squiggles. But yes, they got some pigment to them. And I think the last ones are the swirls or the swirl crayons, yes. I have no idea what they mean by swirl. I just see all these dots. So I'm like, what is swirl? The colors are interesting. It looks like a lot of white, which is confusing to me. But okay, it's hard to see, but there's like little pieces of color in there. Is that? I almost wonder, I mean, all of them are just called swirl. So I'm like, I don't know what the, like, secondary color is. So it says it can make a streaky effect. So, like, if you, I guess, use it for, like, coloring, it's more for, like, coloring a big surface instead of line work. Let's see. Mixed in with the light green. So it shows up just a tad bit. That's really interesting. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, so many crayons. And I love that they're like these huge 24 packs. That's so cool. Okay, next up, bold and bright washable markers. And it says it works on light and dark paper as well. Okay. Some of these have weird openings. There we go, from the side. Oh. Ooh. These are pretty colors. Okay. Time to test. And let's see, I don't think I've ever used like a white marker before, but oh wait, that's so trippy. It goes on like really dull and it takes a second to dry, so like it just like slowly appears before your eyes, which is crazy. Oh, she bright. Okay, wait, that's really cool. When it dries, it goes on really dark when it's wet, but then it just dries. Oh. It doesn't do that to the poster board, so it still stays like vibrant. Okay, wait, so like it's almost like two different colors, because this one's more lavender, and then this one's, it's It's like it knows. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Okay, there's still so much in here. I need to hurry up. Okay, what are you? Window crayons. It easily washes off. Whoa. I had no idea Crayola made these. I think I know about the window markers, but window crayons is really cool. Whoa. Erasable poster markers? Whoa. And it says it has an ergonomic comfort grip too. Okay, let me okay. Here's the marker. Here's that ergonomic grip. Ooh. That is very nice. Okay. So it says erasable poster markers. It is very dull, unfortunately, but hey. And now, let's try to erase. Like, how does that... What the... That's... crazy. It is a little difficult to erase, but it doesn't look like the eraser is going down too much. So, like... Let me just erase little lines in here. Like, you see... It does. It just takes a minute. Very neat. Okay, wow. Oh, what are you? Color sticks. Oh wait, that's so cool. So these are basically like colored pencils without the wood casing. You just, it's just all the inside of the pencil. It's all pencil. Okay, next up. Okay. We got the classic Crayola markers, the ones we all used as kids. Love them. Oh, okay. It's the color order tripped me out for a second. Next we have glitter glue. I had no idea Crayola even made glitter glue. That is so cool. Okay. So, next up, Pick Squeak Skinnies. So it's markers, but just like mini. Okay, I really like this. They're very travel size. These now, washable paintbrush pens, which is really cool. It says it washes from clothes and stuff and it doesn't drip, and that's really cool. I can't wait to try these out at some point. Whoa! A huge box. This is why it was so heavy. This huge box of chalk. I have so many fun ideas to like use chalk in my class for like outdoor mural making. So this is gonna be awesome because I was wanting to get chalk. Thank you so much, Crayola. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, we're getting to the bottom of the box. Oh, okay. Oh, let me grab a handful. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. We have the OG markers. Y'all know what I mean when I say the OG markers. And then we have watercolor pencils made with restored wood. Pastel, pre-sharpened. Oh my gosh. Both of these pencils are pre-sharpened. I love that. Pastel colored pencils. Oh my gosh, the purples are so pretty. I mean, if you can't tell, I love purple, but like, oh, that is beautiful. And then colors of kindness. I feel like I've seen the crayon version of this for like Valentine's Day. Oh wait, oh the colors are so cute. Also the purples. Best buddies, sky's the limit, a warm hug. Oh, my heart. Those names. Breathe deep. This is so cute. And then they also gave me the colors of kindness washable markers. So it's like the same thing but in marker form. Sketch and shade doodle pencils for light and dark paper. I want to see how this works. I want to test them on the dark paper. Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at that. I actually love these. Whoa. And I do recommend 10 out of 10. That is, whoa. Dual-ended doodle markers. Oh, okay. So it has a chisel tip and then a brush tip. So it's like you can do your little calligraphy stuff, but then you can also do like, you know, detailed lines. Oh my god, there's so many markers. Okay. Oh my god! We're on to the last few things. A Colors of the World washable markers. Oh my gosh, we did not have these when I was a kid. It's 24 pack and it's a bunch of different skin tone markers. Y'all see that? That's so cool. I love when there's like various shades of colors because I always like to, you know, oh, you can see them on the side where like some are pinky, some are more yellow toned, some are more brown. I do really like all the shades and stuff. Cute. Oh. What is you? Oh my gosh, you are a big box. Great for drawing and lettering. Color and detail markers. Oh my gosh, it is a 50 pack. Oh. Oh my gosh. I like how this make today count too. That's really cool. I'm like, I really do love these kinds of like this tip of marker because I feel like you know you're able to lay it down flat to get the thicker line, but then you can also do like really fine detail work. For those of you out there who, let me know in the comments if you love rainbow because like you can't go wrong with a Crayola rainbow. And then the last thing in this box, oh my god, so much stuff. A giant marker and watercolor pad. 25 sheets of big old watercolor paper. Wait, let me try to get the ASMR. This is so much stuff. I will hopefully be teaching in my own classroom next school year. I'm starting student teaching like now, which is crazy. So I might be able to use some of these in the classroom that I'm placed at, or even just like try them out at home, and they can eventually find a home in my new classroom next year. Thank you so much, Crayola. This is, oh my gosh. I can't even hold everything. There's so much. Thank you so much to Crayola for all of these goodies. They're definitely going to be put to good use, whether by me or by my future students. I really do appreciate it. I'm so excited for like all the upcoming Crayola stuff. I definitely want to try to do Crayola Creativity Week this year. If not, definitely next year. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this unboxing video. This has been absolutely insane because I've never gotten something like this before. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Comment down below which one is like your favorite item, whether you use it or you want to see me try to use it. Let me know because I'd love to like know tips and tricks on how to use some of these, or just like which ones do you want to see in action. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay updated with all the fun artsy stuff I do in the future. And yeah, again, thank you all so much for watching this video, and don't forget to have fun crafting. Bye!